Welcome to Science Learning Hub. Ever wondered why we suddenly start making those funny hic sounds out of nowhere? Let's find out why we get hiccups. Hiccups happen when your diaphragm, the muscle below your lungs that helps you breathe, suddenly contracts involuntarily. This quick contraction makes you inhale air suddenly. And when your vocal cords snap shut, it creates that familiar hic sound. But what causes these spasms? It could be eating too fast, drinking carbonated beverages, laughing too hard, or even a sudden change in temperature. Sometimes hiccups are just your body's way of saying, slow down. Most hiccups last only a few minutes, but if they stick around for hours or days, it might be a sign to visit a doctor. So next time you hiccup, remember, it's your diaphragm doing a little dance. If you enjoyed this fun science fact, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Science Learning Hub for more amazing science explained simply. Science Learning Hub is dedicated to making science enjoyable and accessible, turning curious minds into future scientists. Join us as we explore new concepts, unravel mysteries, and spark creativity in young minds.